Hi, this is Mike with 3G Construction at Bellcove. I'm taking a look at the window wells. I guess there's been some issues with them flooding. This is the one that we actually had to bucket water out of when we had the heavy rains. You can see how the water's kind of pooled up right there. And it's really close to the bottom of the window. Looks like someone's put some rock in here, but by looking at it, I think the grade needs to be dropped significantly to keep that under the window. Regraded so it has positive drainage, and then the water's going to go towards the back of the window well instead of the front like it is right now. And then put the fabric on and fill it up with rock. So we potentially can use that same rock, but it's all got to be taken out. And then we got to take some dirt out as well and get rid of it. After looking at the house, I just want to mention it. Definitely needs some painting on the outside. A little bit of attention to just the outside in general. It's starting to swell underneath the lips of all the lap siding. I don't know if you can get a good look at that, but I have to say something, because if I don't, then I'm not doing my job. But once this gets exposed, it will just start falling apart, and it's not a good thing. It's already been it's soaked with water, so I'm pushing that, and it just kind of turns into a sponge after it's exposed, or after the paint kind of fades away. It just, let's see if you can see that. Sorry, my camera working so great. I'm trying to back that off a little bit. There we go. But that lip is just, it's getting saturated with water. It's just, but this type of siding, just once it doesn't have paint on there and moisture gets underneath that lip, it just starts swelling up. So you can see the size underneath the siding there, and then if you go up on top, you can see the first couple rows how it's nice and tight, and that's the shape that it should have. And my guess is, since it's kind of protected under the eave at the top, that's why that one looks the way it does. It's still in pretty good condition, but as it comes down, it gets worse and worse, because all this area here is exposed to all the elements, and that's pretty normal. But back to the window wells, and as I'm walking, I'm just gonna show you some pictures of, or some footage. You can see how really, and water's just getting right behind there. It was never caulked originally, which to me, I can't really understand why they never caulked that. But water's just getting back there on top of that. But it's just a FYI, just so you know. So this is the other window well here. It looks like someone put some type of drain in there, and that drain is full of water. So I'm not sure what type of drain it is, what it's tied into, if it's even tied to anything. I don't know. Maybe the owner can call me, or someone can call me and let me know, so we can wrap our head around what's happening here. But you can see how the dirt is pushed up. I think you can see it. So the dirt is pushed up to that back side there, and that's the opposite of what you want, because that water is just going to go right towards the window. So I'm going to put some prices together for maintaining these two window wells, taking that rock out, and getting the grade proper and putting everything back. I think the actual wells are fine. I'm going to get some prices on some covers as well, and we'll start from there. And if you need anything, please let us know. Thank you.